Are you struggling with CAT quant? I can think of 3 reasons why you are struggling with math. The first reason is maths ठीक से पढ़ाया ही नहीं है स्कूल के टाइम पे. In a lot of cases what happens is there is a set of questions that are taught to you और वही questions exam में भी पूछ लेते हैं. So it's very easy for you to memorize those questions and then answer the questions that appear at the test. But ये वाला attitude ना CAT में काम नहीं आता, जहाँ पे questions are mostly based on application of concepts. The second reason is you don't really enjoy solving problems in general. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ ले तो a lot of us get defensive and think that उसने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा because they are trying to judge me or they will laugh at me if I am not able to answer the question. ये attitude जो है ना वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑब्स्टिकल्स पैदा करता है and because of which you will not be able to practice and answer questions. The third reason is there is a firm belief that there exists a magic pill or some shortcut which will help you overcome your fear of quant. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Something that you have been experiencing for the last 15 years of your academic journey, you are not going to be able to change overnight. So it is a tough process. You have to be willing to go through it and only then will you be able to improve your quant. If you have identified that quant exactly is not your strongest suit, तो फिर हम इसको overcome कैसे करें? I can think of 3 things that you should be doing in order to improve your quant. The first thing is understand all the concepts as they need to be understood. So ऐसा नहीं है कि रट्टा मार के मुझे सारे concepts समझ में आ जाएंगे. I need to understand how that particular concept came into existence और उसके proper applications क्या हैं. The second thing I need to do is I need to practice questions starting from the basic level to the advanced level so that I gain confidence when it comes to solving questions independently. And the third and the most important thing is regularity in your preparation. अगर मेरा preparation start हो रहा है या फिर मैं एक topic start कर रहा हूँ और उसके related topic को देख ही नहीं रहा, I am going to some other topic altogether, then I will never be able to form those interlinkages that are useful when it comes to cracking CAT quant. So if I have identified that quant is not exactly my strongest suit and also I want to improve my quant, तो क्या कर सकते हैं? I have a solution for you. You can join our program जहाँ पे there will be a set of power prep videos जिसके अंदर I have covered all the concepts that are tested at the CAT and more starting from the very basics. So काफी simple language के अंदर with some examples I have tried to explain all the concepts that are there. तो वो first step होना चाहिए journey के अंदर. The second step will be solving the practice questions that are also a part of the Power Prep program. इसके अंदर you have more than 700 questions that you can go through with detailed solutions जिसको refer करके you will be able to understand कि कैसे questions को solve किया जाता है. And the third step is the mastery program जिसके अंदर I will be sitting with you and will be solving questions that are CAT level and beyond. We'll be exploring shortcuts together. We'll be trying to figure out the interlinkages जिससे अपना पूरा का पूरा section जो है वो काफी strong हो जाएगा and we'll be able to attempt most of the questions that appear at the CAT and get a very good percentile at the section.